If you have an HTML email signature and don't know how to insert in Outlook, then this video is for you. I will guide you how to add an HTML email signature in Outlook step by step even if you are a complete beginner. This tutorial shows you exactly how to paste and set your custom HTML signature so it looks professional in every email. So let's start. First, we will open the HTML email signature like I am having this. We will open it with Notepad. Open with Notepad. Now we will select all code with Control plus A and then we will press Control plus C to copy the whole code. Now minimize this window and let's open Outlook. Here is the Outlook. Let's go to the settings. This is setting. Then we will go to account and here is the option signatures. We will click on signatures. Now we are going to start new signature. We will create new signature. We will click on plus sign. We will create test. We will save it. Now we will right click here and we will go to inspect. You can see we are here in inspect elements. We will scroll down. Yes, we are going to click here, then in this box is getting highlighted. So we want to put our email signature in this section and we will click on this arrow and collapse it. Now look at this. This arrow is for this section. So we will create, we will click and edit as HTML and here we will between break and div code we will paste HTML signature code which we copied from the notepad. You can see the code is here. Now we will click here and you can see the code is here. Now what we will do, we will click here and we will cross this one. We will click here on save. It's done. Now what we will do, we will go to composing email. Look, is here. If we want, we can select the account signatures. Here we used test email. That's why signatures are showing. If we want to use this for our replies, we will select the test email and it will be in the replies section too. So if I am going to reply someone, HTML signatures are here. So that's the video. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.